Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this video, I want to tell you about some application that we usually use for teaching process. This application named Google Classroom, and this application is very familiar to us. We know in this pandemic era, we don't meet one another for teaching process, so we are using some application to connect one another for teaching process, and some of them is Google Classroom. And in this video I want to explain it, and please stay watching this video and let's check it out.
Okay, for the first, I want to explain what is Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a service designed to help teachers create and distribute assignments to students in paper. Google Classroom is part of Google Apps for Education effort which is made user-friendly and minimalist. Google Classroom is useful in facilitating the teaching and learning process, so that students can use it easily whenever we need it. In Google Classroom, both students and lecturers can collect assignments, distribute assignments, or access assignments at home or whenever, anywhere without being bound by time limits. Next is about how to use Google Classroom as a teacher. Uh, First, create a classroom. We need to create a classroom. First, please access in the address like this, example, and then click continue, choose the role I am a teacher. Third, click the plus icon on the top right. Fourth, select create class, and you can see in the example on the in this my screen like this. There is a plus icon, and then it's about Google Classroom metadata. It's mean you can fill the blank space like class name, section, subject, and room. And then you can see your first classroom like this. In example, you can see in my screen, yeah, like that. Okay, next, access setting. What means about access setting? You can setting your access for your, especially your classes, and you can, in the first step, you can click this icon, yes, like here, yes. And then next, uh, if you want to setting your class description, you can fill the class details or class description on there. You can see uh, learning outcomes for the process teaching like this. It's an example. Okay. Next. Okay, in the setting access, you can see your class code, and you can share this code for your students. Maybe in this there are steps are first still on the setting page, second select class code or display like this. This is an example. A large code display will appear class. This code is unique for each class. Please share this code to student to join class. Okay. And then still on the setting page, and as a teacher, you can control students' post and comment. So in the stream section, we can choose first student can post and comment, second student can only comment, or third only teacher can post or comment. It's up to you as a teacher. You can choose one of them, and then please choose according to the wishes of Mr. or Mrs. And then don't forget to click save at the top right when you're edited. Okay, next, about classwork topic. What's mean the classwork topic? As a teacher, we can share material or classwork for your student, and you can add a topic. So the steps are, first, please go to the classwork tab, and second, click create, and you fill the blank space of topic. Third, exit the topic window, fill in this week's topic. And fourth, then click add like this. And this is an example. Okay, example. And then next is about material and assignment. Adding material and assignment is actually very similar. Then difference is that assignment are assignment and then can be due date. And then classwork assignment. Classwork assignment, you can control the due to or the deadline. Maybe it's up to you as a teacher. And as a teacher, you can, and as a teacher, you can share the material or uh, and or from Google Drive or YouTube, like in this example. Okay.
Okay, I think it's enough about my explanation about Google Classroom. So, uh, thanks for enjoy this video and see you on the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.